North Trail RV Center is South Florida's largest RV dealer located in Fort Myers, Florida on I-75 at exit 141. For over 40 years, we've been proudly serving the RVing community. We are a complete RV dealership with a beautiful and modern sales center, well-stocked RV parts and accessories department, huge award-winning service center with 100 service bays, 4 50-foot quick change oil pits, tire and alignment center, Spartan and Freightliner chassis center, collision center with 3 64-foot paint booths with mixing labs, parts fabrication center, roof repair and replacement center, and more. As Florida's premier motorhome dealer, we're proud to offer the finest quality motorhomes from Newmar, Tiffin, Renegade, Thor, Airstream, Winnebago, Pleasureway, Jayco, and Dynamax. We are the world's largest Newmar dealer. We have gas and diesel motorhomes including Class A toy haulers, Class A wheelchair accessible, Class B, Class C, and Super C motorhomes. Our RV consignment department makes selling your used motorhome easy and hassle-free. Our finance department is here to help make owning your dream home on wheels a reality, offering a variety of extended care products and services. Be sure to visit our website to view current RV inventory at www.northtrailrv.com. Call us at 239-309-2299. Visit us on social media on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest.